how to add fonts in Illustrator. To show you this, I'm gonna pick a font from here. Just gonna drag it out like this. As you can see, it has a placeholder text inside. Just gonna zoom in on that like this. Now you can change your overall font by going to the right hand side here where it says character. You just click on this little drop down menu here, and here you can choose all your different fonts. You can also sort them by size like this, and if you click on find more, you can add more fonts to this. And the way you add more fonts, if you have existing ones on your PC, you just install them on your computer, and when you go to your text, they should show up here on the right side. Or if they don't do so right away, you can just close Adobe Illustrator and then open it again, and they should appear. And that's how you add fonts in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.